I'm just fed up with his relentless effort, just always there, hoovering over me, trying to get back in. I think it's time to get him out the way for good.
Minister, I heard Mr. Wallace had let's call it a brush with death recently in a car accident. Humor me, you wouldn't happen to know anything about it.
Seems my uncle from St. Mary missed. He didn't do a good job.
Gentlemen,
This feels like the reunion we never knew we needed. Marlon Swaby, ex-police officer, ex-business owner, now about to face trial for a weapon found in his vehicle. You used to play football when you're small, Mr. Swaby, because the ball isn't in your court any at all.
Was he ever small?
gentlemen, I work well with blackmail, so talk on the talk, and I want to know if I forget my lawyer. I just deal with it on my own, so just say what I say, yeah?
You, the comedian, Bull the comedian. There you go with the jokes again. Get your lawyer. I'd love to see how your lawyer deal with the AR-15 that was found in your van. Him no look so big again.
Mr. Swaby, I could make sure that weapon charge never even go into a court of law. You just have to make the right choice. Mr. Swaby, top officer, graduate of training school, Medal of Honor for gallantry, for selflessly saving a young soul from a car accident. Yet you're here jobless. How does head of security sound for an MP? After all, it's an election year, and I could use the additional security. I heard you're a sharpshooter.
Brother, if I was you, I'd take that deal. Faster than an infomaniac through a box of condoms.
So, Inspector Majors, who is a comedian now? And I time them. Minister Daley, just give me a few days. I'ma think about that, yeah?
You ever read the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad?
Yeah, I've read that book. It's from Robert Kiyosaki, right?
Seize an opportunity when it's ripe. We don't have time to waste.
Yeah, and he gave good advice.
Now that we are on the same page, don't overstay your welcome.
Minister, you sure you can trust that slimy little bastard?
We are the authors of our own lives, We hire, fire, promote, and demote. So we place people accordingly. It's not about trust. It's putting people in a position where they must submit. He must submit. Let's say he's in a sticky situation.
Well, since you put it that way, it does make sense.
Just remember, keep an eye on him and try to get that decryptor for me as quickly as possible. We'll be in touch. Yes. This is just a reminder to get the decryptor from you, alright? Good. And one more thing. I can't take any chances with what happened the last time, so I have 2 new recruits. I want you to give an eye on them for me. And the slightest chance of a mishap, I want you to eliminate them.
I took the liberty of getting you a chair.
We have a big problem.
I find it fascinating that you're using the plural. We?
You and I know very well that anything that happens in my constituency, I'm very much aware of it. And we know that we have a common fly on the wall. And I need you to help me to get rid of that problem.